Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on Share Friend List in Game Center on Mac. So, Game Center includes a privacy feature called Share Friend List. When this option is enabled, supported games and apps that you allow can access your Game Center friend list. This can make it easier to find friends who play the same games, invite them, and use other social gaming features. If you enjoy playing multiplayer games with your friends, keeping this option turned on can be helpful. And to do so, first click on the Apple logo at the top and then choose System Settings. And here in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Game Center. After that, make sure to enable the toggle right to share friend lists. After enabling, you'll also see an option to manage which app are allowed to access your Game Center friend list. You can review those apps by clicking on show apps and decide which one should have access. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.